So far, we have been learning how to compare two different groups of objects by drawing a line to match one image to another image. So we have learned what the word greater than means, which means I have more than of another group. We have learned what less than means, which means I don't have as much as the other group. And we have also learned what equal to means, which means I have the same amount in both groups. So today, we're going to learn how to compare by counting. So our I can statement is, I can compare groups by counting. So Marta has a group of elephant stickers on one page of a sticker book. She has a group of lion stickers on another page. We are going to compare the groups. So first thing I'm going to do is count how many elephants I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, we cross out the pictures so we don't accidentally count them more than once and we don't miscount. It makes it so much easier for us. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 5. All right, so now I'm going to count how many lions I have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write the number 4 right here. Okay, so now to compare my groups of images. Now I know I have 5 elephants and 4 lions, but I want to know which one I have more of, so greater the amount, or which one I have not as much as, less than the amount. Okay, so I'm going to draw my lines to match. So draw elephant to the lion, elephant to a lion, elephant to a lion, elephant to a lion. Okay, so it looks like I still have one more elephant that was not matched to the lion. So that tells me that 5 is greater than 4, and 4 is less than 5. So since 5 is greater, I'm going to put a circle around that number to show that it's more than the other group of images. And then since 4 is less than 5, I'm going to put a big X to show that that is less than the group of 5. All right, so in this picture right here, Marta did the same thing, but she also used a number line, which is right here, a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to help her decide which one was greater than, which one was less than. So she did the same thing. She counted her zebras, 1, 2, 3, and wrote the number 3. She counted her giraffes, 1, 2, 3, 4, wrote the number 4. Well, and she used her number line to help her. So she looked on the number line for the number 4 and for the number 3. So she sees that the number 4 is much bigger than the number 3. So that means 4 is greater than 3. So she also did her comparing by drawing her matches and saw that she had one more giraffe. So 4 is greater. So since it is greater, she put a big old circle on the greater number, and then we are going to put an X on the one that's less than the other. Okay? So then her friend did the same thing with a different group of stickers. He had 2 lions, 1, 2, and wrote the number 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He wrote the number 5. He also used the number line to help him decide which number was greater than and which number was less than. So he found the number 2 and he found the number 5 and saw that 5 is much bigger than the number 2. So he put an X on the number 2, and we're going to put a circle around the number 5 because that's greater than. You can use your number line, or you can even still do our matching to decide which one is greater than and less than. So for our first guided practice, I have some more stickers. So I have some monkey stickers and I have some bananas. So we need to count to see how many monkey stickers we have. So remember, as we count, we cross them out. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write in my very nice, neat handwriting. Now it's not going to be perfect because I'm using a mouse. I wrote the number 3. Then I'm going to go and count how many bananas I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5 here because I've put 3 monkey stickers, 5 banana stickers. So I'm now going to compare my groups of images and decide which one I have greater the amount or which one I have less than the amount. So I'm going to connect the monkey to the banana, the monkey to the banana, monkey to the banana, and I see I have 2 more bananas left, so that tells me I have more bananas than I do monkeys. So that means I have 5, which is greater, so I'm going to put a circle, and 3 is less than 5, so I'm going to put an X. So for your assignment, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to count how many frogs you have and write how many here, how many lily pads you have and write how many here. You're going to compare them by matching to see which one you have greater than or less than the other. Now remember, if it's greater, you're going to circle that number, and if it's less than, you're going to put a big X on it.